When writing the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala or the God, Muslims often follow it with the abbreviation SWT. It could appear in all caps as SWT, or it appears in a smaller case SWT, or sometimes in a different form, but all it means is to glorify God when his name is mentioned. Meaning of this translates into glory to him, the exalted, or the glorious and exalted is he. In saying or reading the name of Allah, the shorthand of SWT indicates an act of reverence and devotion towards the very creator, God. Islamic scholars instruct adherents to with the letter, and it is intended to serve as the reminder only. In short form, Muslims are still expected to invoke the words in the full greetings or the salutation when seeing the letters. SWT appears in multiple places in the Quran in many verses, and its use is not restricted to theological tracts. SWT often appears whenever the name of Allah does, even in publications dealing with topics such as Islamic finance and other areas. In the view of some adherents, use of this and other abbreviation could be misleading to non-Muslims or the people who do not understand properly, who might mistake one of the abbreviations for being part of the true name of God. Some Muslims view that even shorthand usage it's not possibly a form of respect.